So today we're fixing a 2007 Chrysler 300 base model V6, the 3.5 liter. So what happened in this car is that the fan broke, and it got caught in the radiator, made a hole through the radiator, and everything leaked out and it did not overheat the car, but it brought it up to a certain how do I say these, temperature, where the car had to be towed. So you guys can see I was already started taking off apart the 300. I had to remove the headlight because there was a bolt right here. I don't know if you guys can see. Oh, right there was a bolt right there. Couldn't get through it. This one I was gonna move it, but I guess not anymore, so I'm gonna leave it there. So right now I'm just waiting for the new radiator to come by. Meanwhile, we're gonna take this apart and get it all set up and put a new fan and a new hose. No, not a new hose, a new radiator. Pretty much that'll be it. I don't think it will need more stuff. I might have to put it on the ramp. That's for sure. I mean, I could see I could get through the hose right there. It's about here in the area. There's a hose right there. I could get through the clamp. I'll move the clamp around and it should be good. Checking to see if there's anything there that I should know of. I don't think so. So it's a simple car. Clip-on bumper. Only has one bolt, two bolts. One right here, one on the other side. Same here, one here, one on the bottom side. Two bolts and a clip-on. The rest is all clip-on. It's a clip-on bumper. And I think I just broke someone's light bulb. I think, oh yeah, I did. Well, I'll just tell him. Well, the thing is that I gotta do this today because this girl lives all the way to Bakersfield, so she needs to make the 4-hour drive. So I gotta make sure this car is in condition to drive the 4-hour drive. Now I gotta put this on the ramp it up, take out the clamps from the hose, let everything dry out. I'm pretty sure everything is already dried out, but just want to make sure everything else is good. After that, just put a new radiator and a new fan and we should be good to go. I don't know where the fans disconnect from. Oh, I think it's attached to the, so the fan is attached to the radiator, which is good because I just pull it out and that should be it. Alright, so let me start with disconnecting the wire harness. Let me set up the camera right here. I mean, I know you guys are unable to catch nothing, so, but yeah, so I'll be back. I'll get this harness removed, then I'll get the other one. Well, I think that's be it. Yeah, that should be it. It's one harness. Pull it out of the way. Still gotta cut the power out of the battery for sure. Well, I don't think so. I'm not sure. I'll check it out. But I don't think I will have to do none of that. But I just clip this and that's it. Clip it and that's it. Other than that, I don't see anything else. Just remove the radiator. How did the radiator? Oh, I see the bolt. I see one here. There's one right there on the other side. There on one side. Should be it. Alright. I'll catch you guys in the second video.